Black Canary had so much fun, she's come back for more. And she's brought the Huntress with her. But they won't be fighting each other. They'll be fighting together. Huntress and Black Canary versus two new contenders. Vixen, the beauty with the beast powers, and the Thanagar Thrasher, Hawkgirl. Ladies and gentlemen, place your bets.
Looks like we're in this together.
If you call me girlfriend, I'm gonna dropkick you into the next county.
Now don't go all sentimental on me.
No, 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 little bird.
Watchtower! What? Let me give you the short version.
I don't want to hurt you, Shaira.
But I want to hurt you.
Just when we were starting to get along.
I don't think I want to know.
We're all in a cage match, fighting to the death.
Yeah, see?
That all you got?
Oh, no. I've saved the very best for last.